Now, there's also one other action that we do need to go ahead and provide, and that is going to be parse a document. As I mentioned before, we've got that Word document. We don't want to burn up a bunch of tokens in our model by passing this large file to the model. So we're going to parse a document, and this will go ahead and basically extract just like the core text content itself, which is really what our model is interested in. It's not interested in all the other stuff. So here, what we'll go ahead and do is select the output from the previous step, which is our file content. It's also really important to know, this is an important thing to understand. We want to optimize what we send back to the model. So as a result, we don't send everything that is in the tool call execute, the tool chain here. We will only send back the last action within the tool branch back to the model. So the execution that happens here is we're going to chat. This is going to hit the trigger. The request is going to come to the agent. The agent might say, hey, how can I help you? Those types of things. Then in this part of the instructions, it knows I need to go get the operational runbook. It calls this tool. It calls this action to get the blob. We then parse the document. Just the text comes back to the agent.